Success strategy. Keep building. Keep building in life. Keep building. Keep building. One of my top success strategies. Hello, y'all. I'm DIANNA BRIANNE. Keep building. Well, first of all, I don't give advice. I don't give suggestions. I don't give information. I just share with you how I live life and my perspective on different topics, as is with this one. Keep building. You know, often when relationships seem to go downhill is when people have begun to dismantle what it is that they've built. And they're not building anything new in its place. One of my friends and I were talking, and honestly, I can't remember which one of my friends said this, but one of my friends said that they had read that people lived the longest who kept collecting and kept building. Now, of course, as many of you know, I'm streamlining my house. I have a lot of things. I love what's important, but the things that are not so important, I'm streamlining. And I think it's good to streamline. I think it's good to simplify. I think that there are times in life that we have to tear down, so to speak, something that's not working if we can't fix it, and yet rebuild in its place. I believe that strong relationships dream together, and they also build together. Okay, so I did another video, my number one success topic, or my number one success strategy for a happy relationship is to dream together. And yet there's another component to that. It's build together. Build together your dream, your vision, keep building in life. There's something about building that gives us energy, momentum, and positive excitement. Okay, so keep building in life, whether it's your dreams, your solutions, or almost any other great thing for your life. I believe that when we are building and dreaming, often our relationships thrive, our friendships thrive, our marriage, all kinds of relationships thrive, but also I believe that we thrive as well. Keep building. Well, from my house to yours, may God bless you. I hope you like, share, subscribe to all 5 of my channels. Links are pinned to the top of the comment section below. And if you connect with me with all 5 channels, I will likely connect back with you with all 5 channels. Hope to talk to you then. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Grandma's porch, a place to relax.